Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up the power battery saving option on your Huawei P50 Pro. So in the standard you have your normal battery life, and we can see here 28%, and when I use my my mobile phone more often, then of course my battery life will go down. And sometimes I want to have maximum performance for games and so on, and sometimes when I'm already low with my battery life I want to go to the power saving mode. So we can change this. And how can we change this? We go to the settings, and here in the settings we go to battery. And here when we are in our battery we can turn on the performance mode. We can see here optimize settings to deliver maximum performance, power consumption, and device temperature will increase. I can just turn it on, and then you can see it goes a little bit down here from 5 hours 22 minutes, and if I turn it down it will be slightly longer. Why is this changing so much? Of course because I haven't played a lot with my Huawei P50 Pro and so on, but this will slightly reduce your battery life for this charging. So the second one is power saving mode. Improve battery life by disabling features such as auto syncing, and we can click on learn more, and then you can see to extend battery life, power saving mode will disable auto syncing, haptic feedback, system sounds, visual effects, screen timeout, and so on and so forth. So when I turn it on, it goes a little bit, the brightness goes a little bit down, and now we have 7 hours 28 minutes remaining. So this is pretty cool, and I can shut it down again and the brightness will go up, and then everything's fine. So you can see here the power saving mode and the performance mode are all some great tools to change your performance and to here in the power saving mode maximize your battery life. So I would just suggest you take a look at it, and I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.